Okay, so the next topic is Android 11. This is a pretty big topic actually, and it's exciting because Android updates are interesting for me because before Android looked bad, but now with every version it's looking so much better.
So much better.
And this time they have had
Honestly.
some. Okay, so Android is a pretty mature operating system अभी के लिए अभी बन गया है. So there won't be ऐसा drastic UI changes or ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने
Of
वाला
course,
in the
I'm not
at least
expecting
I
that.
don't see that coming in the next
Mm,
3 or 4 years. There will be minor changes, but this time they have had some amazing changes. Like they hit the right buttons अभी मेरे तो at least. And so किधर गया? Okay, so let's start with Android 11, I guess. So let's go over the list of new features. So the first one is they change the notification shade, and they do it with every update, and I love the changes they make. So what they did
Yeah.
this time is instead of giving all the notification priority wise, they group them as conversations, alerts, and silent notifications. And the major change has been in the conversations wala ye. So now you can have people over there, and then you can select them and have a priority wala option. So
Oh,
their
right.
so
उनका chats
their
का priority
message
हो जाएगा.
breaks through the do not disturb wala ye.
Nah.
And in that icon thingy where you get to see कि कौन से notifications है without opening the notifications,
हाँ, right.
instead of the app का icon you see their display picture.
Oh.
So that's new. And then chat apps can also have chat bubbles. Abhi. Any chat app can have it.
I heard of that one.
Yeah, they had this in Android 10. I don't know what happened to it, but this is an amazing feature. When Facebook implemented that, it was so nice because now you could do your normal stuff while
Yeah,
texting.
that
You don't
was-
have to switch between apps. And
that was
Android
some
still
crazy
sucks at
stuff.
switch between apps. I don't know why, but
हाँ.
there is still as a काफी inconvenience from going to one app to another so continuously because think of it like you're booking some tickets and you have to go back and forth क्या करूँ इधर
Yeah.
क्या करूँ and you have to continuously move. Chat bubbles solve them instantly because अभी
That's right.
there is a floating window always there for you to text your
I
friends and
remember
stuff.
when Facebook Messenger did this for the first time, I was mind blown.
हाँ exactly. It is
was
such an obvious thing
very,
once you
very-
have it.
Exactly, it's crazy. It's so good. The only I think Facebook messed it up because Messenger took a lot of space and it was slow. It was not the best. It was not the
Uh-huh.
best implemented. Yeah, dude. I remember I had a phone and it was a decent phone. Okay, at the time, and it was एक तो Facebook का इतना बड़ा app था. Okay, and Facebook.
Oh हाँ
में
Facebook
एक-
app sucked. Facebook
exactly.
app sucked.
And it had such a huge इतना कैश भर देता था यार, इतना कैश मेमोरी लेता था वो. And then ऊपर से मेरे को मैसेंजर ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ता था just to chat with people. That was the most annoying.
And they made it
Most
so that
annoying
you
part.
can't chat without the messenger app.
Exactly.
Facebook's
That was
app.
the
That
most
is so
annoying
dumb.
part about Facebook. Okay, Facebook,
I know.
you suck. I'm sorry. You suck. No wonder Instagram over to you suck. So yes, now I'm gonna get chat.
Instagram. And then okay, so to get into that conversations ka list, developers will have to update it. But come on, as long as you don't have a Pixel,
Bro, chat
you're gonna
hits
get that
would-
update so
मेरे
late.
दिमाग में 10 सिनेरियो आ रहे हैं which chat hits could benefit me so much.
Exactly, it's gonna.
Please
Why
give
not?
me that.
And you can have multiple chat hits like WhatsApp का.
I remember.
WhatsApp का
I
एक
remember
person का एक and
that.
then
I used to
Instagram
play
का एक
like
person
that,
का.
so.
हाँ वही. And
That's cool.
the
So
next
cool.
change they did it to notification wala is they changed the media controls. So I have mixed feelings about this. So what they did is instead when you pull down the notifications shade पहली बार and you see those quick settings वाले 6 I think आते हैं मेरे phone में 6 आते हैं basic 6 and then you pull down again and you get the entire quick settings वाले.
हाँ बराबर.
So instead of doing those 6 in a row, they distributed them in 2 rows. So ऐसा 3 and either there are media controls. So the media controls have shifted ऊपर अभी. And I don't know how I
Nice.
feel about that because phone size बढ़ गया है. So you'll have to reach even more ऊपर to play and pause the song.
Is that I remember that is an old Samsung feature I think. Was it there in
I don't know.
Samsung phones?
I don't know. I bought ये काफी late.
No, पुराने वाले. I'm not sure.
हाँ पुराने वाले में होगा शायद भी I don't know. And now when you pull it out the second time, you get a bigger player, which is it looks like an exact copy of the iOS wala, which is fine. It looks nice. And now So my phone, so I didn't know I needed this feature until it was given to me, and when I bought this phone,
That
it
is
had.
the best kind of feature that you can give your
I
person.
know, हाँ
Best
exactly.
kind of feature.
And so it had this ये म्यूजिक प्लेयर के नीचे it always gave this drop down Samsung Smart Things का कि you can switch the audio to anything you want कुछ सब connected होते हुए and I'm like कौन use करेगा why I mean if I have earphones connected मैं क्यों use करेगा
बराबर.
but it is a game changer because I have multiple
Exactly.
Bluetooth devices connected
Yeah,
now and
yeah.
if I want the song from there and call from here I can do that now
What? Really?
my phone
Okay,
can do
that's-
that
Holy shit.
and with
That's
the new
great.
Android 10 update I think my phone has Bluetooth 5 I guess so उसकी वजह से
हाँ.
possible है
Yeah,
it can
most
play
probably.
the same song though media devices से.
Yeah, that's right.
So that is amazing and then so I can basically watch movies with someone at the same time and हम दोनों की earphones connected होंगे मेरे phone से
Right.
So
I think that
airplane
is also
में-
in my phone also. I haven't
हाँ
tried
तो
it, but
एयरप्लेन
mostly
वगैरह
it's
में
there.
एयरप्लेन वगैरह
So
में है
cool.
वो हाँ so basically Google added that so I don't know about this two outputs at the same time but Google added that feature natively अभी कि you can switch between output devices for the song so which is very nice and it is an amazing feature to have like
Very cool.
once you get it in your hand you will know how when you will use it
Yeah, that's right.
and the next major thing they changed is the power menu now I said this for so long the power button is not being used to its full potential ऐसा because
Right.
that is a
Yeah.
button it's a button and it can be done like
There's
it's a quick access
essentially
to something
what he's trying
that
to
could be
say is
very
there's
important
Exactly. Advait wants to say कि एक तुम वैसे भी कम बटन डालते हो एंड्रॉइड पे ठीक है अगर एक ही बटन डालना है तो उसका कुछ मल्टीपल यूजेस डालो ना यार एक्सेप्ट अपार्ट
हाँ, exactly.
दैट्स व्हाट ही मींस टू से
and when you long press that power button you just get a reboot shutdown lockdown
Yeah.
and that all that stuff
That's
and
right.
the screen is entirely blank and I'm like this is free real estate abhi is that use it
That's right.
and so they
That's right.
changed it entirely and I love it so there is nothing I hate about it वैसा
That's
I so iOS did this अभी तक कि what they did is if you have Apple Pay and if you keep pressing the lock button you have those cards coming out and then NFC activate हो जाता है वगैरह and I'm like that is so smart do it and now they did it so abhi when you long press the power button you get all the wallet के cards वाला option you get the lock you get the power of reboot and lockdown वाला feature
समझा
and
Along
and
with
they
that.
added this Google Home ka and so I use Google Home in my room to
Right.
turn off lights stuff and I have to go
Right.
to the app every time I have to use it so it's like I mean it can be done easily but I can access it through the lock screen and buttons are something that you need instantly you don't want to go through the app
That's
and
right,
stuff
that's right.
and so now you can just long press the power button and you get all those buttons with it which is a game changer
That's
I
cool.
love it
That's cool.
that is so and it all looks so good I am a sucker for good design and all that looks so nice
Yeah, that
and
is one of the best things about iOS. That
It
is
looks nice.
It looks very nice. iOS
हाँ.
looks great. I cannot argue with that.
although
That is
Android
one
is
of the reasons
getting
why people like it so much.
yeah
It's
exactly
very,
and
very simple, intuitive.
yeah exactly there aren't a lot of features but all of them work together ऐसा एकदम properly
So nicely.
but Android is getting there I must say मतलब ऐसा मेरे को Android 11 काफी ज़्यादा पसंद आया Android 10 was a nice upgrade I mean I really wanted it
It was a
and Android
proper-
even 11 is an even better upgrade I can't wait for it to get it but
Sounds-
I have a
it
Samsung
sounds
phone
good.
so I'm gonna get it pretty late you're gonna get it pretty quick you know OnePlus के वजह से so you're gonna have all that options
Yeah, looks
And-
hopefully.
so so the power menu का वो जो other options है ना wallet and ये it is powered by Google Home so basically
हाँ बराबर.
so the OEMs like Samsung and OnePlus can change that to whatever they want. So Samsung will have Samsung Pay now and Samsung Home smart things are like. So which is nice because I use Samsung Pay a lot. So let's hope I get Android 11 jaldi. Please
That's
Samsung.
nice.
But then I got Android 10 like a couple of months back. So it's not till next year I'm getting Android 11. So that sucks. I might whatever. And the next and they changed a lot of home screen stuff also. So now you have that dock right पहले नीचे so you can have a feature where they give you suggested apps that you might use I don't know how many people use this because dock is something that you want to be it to be
Yeah,
constant ऐसा
exactly.
because I have my phone app उधर
Same.
but I don't know, let's give them a
It
ye
does
try
some-
and you can turn it
yeah.
off if you want ऐसा तो.
Exactly. It does sound actually not bad.
But
Let's see how
you'll have to
it's-
wait for like good 5 or 6 days for that AI to know okay what you like there, what you don't like there. So
That's right.
I don't know if people are willing to take that AI.
But then
Yes.
again, our usage patterns are already recorded by Android 10.
I don't know if they'll use that. That is the thing because dock based things have always been constant, right? To know a
Right.
usage
On the
pattern,
car,
you'll have to first put as a trial apps there and then test it out कि what is working ऐसा. ऐसे तो.
समझा.
Although they have a lot of data, so they might use it in some other way, but it is not as a instantly नहीं आएगा.
Right.
That is what I. And they have some new multitasking features where you can take screenshots and highlight the text directly to the multitasking screen.
I
Although
would appreciate that. I would really appreciate that.
I don't know if I
do that
so
a lot.
Android
I take a lot of screenshots.
Android Pie has had this feature where you can just go to multitasking screen and जो भी text होगा ना app पे it will get recognized ऐसा and so you can just click over it and yeah, so they brought that feature back. Android 10 में I think they removed it or something. And then I don't like the multitasking screen on Android for some reason. I like the Android Pie वाला pill के साथ but now it is just glitchy and it seems like it is a ghetto fix for the buttons.
Tape लगा दिया.
हाँ नहीं so
Tape लगा दिया.
instead of just putting the I don't know how it's actually coded but what I feel like when you do that action they just fire the function which was there for the recent button वैसे or something like that.
That is
I don't know that so that it shouldn't be that way, right? Gestures are a complete new thing, so you'll have because when you're doing the gesture you also want that animation to go with your finger, right? वैसे
Right.
तो and which is not happening I guess इधर and
अच्छा.
so there are some basic animations and stuff because people don't realize this and animations are very important with something you
Very.
interact with every day
That's right. Very true.
and having intuitive animations can just make your experience so much better and I love how iOS does it, the gestures wala part. iOS has great gestures. I mean see you're already copying a lot of stuff, might as well take the entire gesture system and you have implemented a lot of it and I love the back wala feature अभी इधर से जो आता है ना Android 10 में. I use gestures वो
Oh yeah.
or the back gesture although it
Yeah.
collides with the hamburger menu, so although they are trying to fix it and stuff it is all an ongoing process. There is not, it is never complete and so the new gesture there are a bit of changes but I don't like the gesture system of Android much. I mean it is nice, it works and all but they have to work a lot on those animations and stuff to make it smooth एकदम ज़्यादा and it's not smooth, it takes a good couple of seconds to get into place. सब हिलता रहता है पूरा time वगैरह ऐसा. They'll get there.
Yeah, they will most probably.
And they added a new screenshot interface. I love this too. So so what they did is they copied it from iOS again. So you know you should take a screenshot and then वो notification वाले इसमें जाता था and so all the manufacturers did their own thing ऐसा scrolling screenshot के लिए वगैरह ऐसे. अभी it doesn't go to notifications anymore. You just click a screenshot तो वो screen का ऐसा बड़ा वाला part ऐसे corner में छोटा होके आ जाता है and so the screen like the picture उधर छोटे में दिख जाता है and
That
so I
happens
think
in my phone right now.
yeah exactly so वो OnePlus had to do it their own way, Samsung did it their own way ऐसा because everyone knew कि वो बेकार but you still get the notification ऊपर and
yes,
I
I
don't know
do
why screenshot notification इसमें ज़रूरत है. You click a
That's
screenshot,
right.
you're done.
That's
Just give the menu ऐसा for some seconds because notifications are persistent, right? They stay there पूरा time. So you
Right,
can
right.
have something that disappears in 4 or 5 seconds or जो भी 10 seconds का delay दिया है वो. So the new one implements it that way, which is very nice. So I like it. I mean they're stealing features from iOS, but whatever.
But
Just doing it
great
better.
Great minds team.
I
Yeah.
think exactly. And there were a lot of small changes behind the year, and one of them was location permissions. So Google has been in fire as for Android being
Yep.
giving a lot of data. So what they did is
for unnecessary data.
yeah. So abhi location mein you'll get 3 options. One is only while using the app, one time, and then deny. So the app
always है ही नहीं.
technically can't क्या बोलते हैं,
Using
request the
always.
feature in background. Although if an app wants to request the feature background में, they'll have to send you to settings and उधर से ऐसा always वाला option आता है.
Right.
So that option is still there. It is just that they have increased the
Some
friction to avoid a lot of
That's good.
problems.
That's nice. That's nice. Because right now what we get is always only using the app and dinner.
हाँ, exactly.
Always का option उन्होंने हटा ही दिया from us.
Yeah, हाँ. Although it is there in the setting.
हाँ, you have to थोड़ा सा
I bought this. So I hate giving apps permission, especially Instagram, Facebook, and
Same.
I don't use Facebook, but Instagram uses Facebook features. So I have this app, like I had to buy it. So what it did is,
Give
क्या
minimal
बोलते हैं?
permissions.
No. So you can give them permission always वाला. Because there was no once वाला permission पहले ना.
बराबर.
While
बराबर.
using the app कोई permission नहीं था.
नहीं था.
So what the app did is you give them the permission, and then when you press the home button or go home, the app will go into the settings and remove all those permissions as well.
Nice.
That is,
nice.
and so you have to give the permission every time the app wants to use it, which is fine for me. It's just that the removal wala process is automated, which is amazing.
That's nice.
So
That's cool.
that is amazing.
Even I have
Uh,
for the past 1 year I've been very conscious of what permissions I give to which apps.
Yeah, exactly, because there have been so many leaks abhi to, so privacy is a problem. But
I don't
We do.
read on those articles. I don't know. It's
I do. It's scary how much data is being collected and stuff.
No, that's true. I know that is true. But
Huh. And there are some minor updates to ShareSheet. You can pin your apps. I hate the Android ka ShareSheet. Why does it take so long? When you click share and that thing popping up and it populating, it takes so long. At least on my phone, I don't know. And I think
Share
सारे
as in
Android phones
share
का
what?
problem. So see how you click photos and then when you have to share it, you click the share button and it takes a couple of seconds to the photo छोटा होता है and then the
Yeah.
share sheet to come and populate.
that's in Google Photos.
In any app, the share
In
sheet
any
is
app.
common in any app. Yeah.
समझा मेरे को.
वो वाला, like
general share
default
sheet.
Android
समझा
वाला.
मेरे को.
हाँ.
Got it.
So that is still slow. It is faster than before,
is.
but you have to pin apps. You can pin apps now, so that is nice because पहले you just
Exactly. Oh, dude, I just related to this so hard because a lot of times I don't get the app that I want to share it to. Okay. and I
हाँ,
have to
exactly. You have to
select- I
scroll
copy
through it ऐसा.
Yeah, exactly.
हाँ.
It's annoying. Like it's weird. I thought like I'll be like, okay, I've done this. I shared this exact image from this exact app to this other app before, so it should be नीचे होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
But it's not there. It's annoying.
It is
Wow,
predictive,
that's
so it will learn over time. But blah, whatever. If it's not, then yeah.
That's nice.
And finally, so this is an under the hood update. You won't see this as a kahi pe bhi, but Google can update now the system level components without updating the entire UI एकदम से. So
Okay.
that is nice. So you won't have to download the entire update, reboot the phone वगैरह ऐसे. They'll just update it under the hood, and
That's nice.
that update won't have to go through Samsung, OnePlus, and other manufacturers. So
Got
it
it,
is an
got it.
instant update through Google.
That's nice.
So yeah, so that is Android 11. So we'll have this Verge video link down below where they'll show you all these features, and it's pretty amazing. The video is really good quality.
There's also a video
And-
by B-Bomb. Do you know B-Bomb?
Yeah, I know people, of course. हाँ.
उनका वीडियो में देखते रह गया यार Android 11 का. Watch it up.
Oh, they compared Android 11 iOS का. उधर से I got to know a lot of comparisons कि how iOS works वगैरह से.
B-Bomb is my favorite Indian YouTuber.
हाँ,
Like,
yeah, I know, I love them.
He has no competition. They have absolutely no
competition, and they do a lot of nice stuff like animations वगैरह के साथ, and the design
Great
work.
stuff.
They have a good production.
Great stuff.
And
Yeah,
so the video they did, what happened is the guy Rupesh.
short.
No, it was short, and then what he did, so he uses iOS basically. So the video was like,
he's an iOS user.
so the video was
Uh-huh.
like a Android 11 update through a perspective of an iOS user. That's all.
iOS user.
Which was pretty nice. I loved the video.
Decent idea.
Oof. Chalo, we'll move on to the
So
next
talking
topic.
about Android updates, I hope that
Android
in
seriously
Android
needs to
11.
fix this.